Okay, got a 2165 cutter's edge chainsaw, which is a Jonsered. Very nice, very good condition. I mean, real good condition. Got the easy pull handle. It was a fire department saw. I took the old fire department blade thing they have on there, the depth gauge and all that, and put a new bar. The chain is almost new, been used just a little bit, but the bar is new. This saw's in great shape. I'm gonna start it up for you. Bear with me here. This is a very nice saw. I mean, it's been on a fire truck. They sent more than they ever used. True fuel from the day it was bought. That's all it's been put in it. True fuel.